Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this ALPHATEC crimping pliers set with an interchangeable jars, including automatic stripping pliers from 0.5 to 10 millimeters square. These are crimping pliers, cable lugs, wire end, hing pliers, flat plugs for MC4 pliers, PV solar systems, and so on. There's a crimping set of 8 pieces here. But what is crimping? Crimping is a method of joining 2 or more pieces of metal or other ductile materials by deforming one or both of them to hold each other. The bend or the deforming is called the crimp. Crimping tools are used to create crimps, like here. Crimping is used extensively in metalworking, including accounting bullets and cartridge cases, for electrical connections, and for security lids of metal food cans. Because it can be called working technique, the crimping can also be used to form a strong bond between the workpiece and the non-metal component. It is also used to connect 2 pieces of food dough. Yeah, that's crimping too. But here we come back. This is, of course, for electrical wires, for example. Experience success and result with this crimping pliers set, with an interchangeable jars plus a bonus stripping pliers automatically. Experienced enthusiasm and ease in implementing our projects. We press our professional crimping connection and let the juice flow through the cables, of course. With the electric tool, we can press electrical connections firmly and professional thanks to the press jaws and the improved mechanism of the pliers, which correspond of the state of the art. The pressing force of the crimping pliers is adjustable. In the sturdy case of our everything protected crimping pliers, plus the stripping tool, plastics, interchangeable jars for crimping types such as cable lugs, wired ends, flat plugs, cable connectors, crimping connectors in German, AMP, Molex, PVMC4 crimping pliers for solar technology. The non-slip and the comfortable handle of the crimper and the stripper gives a pleasant application feeling through the perfect ergonomics, either for professional electricians on the construction sites or do-it-yourself in workshops. Easy and safe operation guaranteed, as you can see. Because we have here high quality. Exclusive crimp set is made of durable and reliable materials. The wear-resistant jaws are extra hardened and quickly replaceable. With a ratchet function, a safety release, and other multifunction, this electrician tool creates a maximum of quality and satisfaction guarantee. 10 years warranty on activation. Wow, that's good. That means this developer here means it is a good crimping tool because it's designed in Germany. The crimping form set with 6 interchangeable jars and automatic absolute pliers. That means we have an 8-piece of package here. Project will be a great success. Our reliable and secure crimp contacts, our high-quality professional tool, and our giant fun in crimping will be, back with that ALPHATEC tools for quality tools. Because we have a quick check, change, simple and easy, that means we have a sample bucket, a lot of them, we have only just a button press on it, remove that and replace it. Developed and constructed in Germany, high quality, stable, durable, 10 years manufacturer's warranty, and we never buy cheap tools again. If we are going to get this here for our job, which will be done fast and good. This all is possible with that tool package here. ALPHATEC crimping pliers set with an interchangeable jars included and automatic stripping pliers from 0.55 to 10 millimeter in square of wires. Crimping pliers for cable lugs, for wire end and thin pliers and flat plugs and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Done.